Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to reset such a cheap LED strip light. So these LED strip lights are now available everywhere. They are pretty cheap. They are between $10 and $20, and it looks like they are more or less the same. They are a little bit different. I mean, they are sold on the different brands, maybe with different power adapters, a little bit different software, but I think in the core they are pretty much the same LED lights. I mean, the strip lights itself are pretty much the same, and probably also the controller here which we have. The problem which we have with this controller is that it doesn't have any hardware button, as you can see, and even if it does look a little bit different, there will be probably exactly same thing inside as a small electronic chip, so no difference at all even if it looks a little bit different outside. So I'm not 100% sure, but this is what I have found. So in the instructions and regarding problems, they have all the same problems or very similar problems. So one of the problems is that it can get stuck somehow in a bad setup or bad programming or whatsoever, and then you need to reset it, and the question is how to reset such a device. And yeah, that's the thing. I mean, we have to connect it to the power adapter, of course, and so we have also to connect this. In my situation, the white cable goes to the red arrow. You have to make sure that it really is perfect. I mean, there's usually an arrow also here, so we have to align that to avoid a short circuit or something like that, to break it really. So now everything is connected, and what we have to do, it has to be disconnected, and we have to plug it in for 5 seconds. I hope we match that about 5 seconds, then turn it off, then turn it on again for about 5 seconds, and we do this until it reacts a little bit differently. We'll see that. Hopefully this will happen. I was told to have it off for about 1 second, but I think it's not needed. Just turn it off and turn it on again for at least 5 seconds, and then repeat. Usually it should be reset after about 5 cycles, but sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Maybe if you mess it up and you don't do it really accurately, so then you miss somehow a cycle, and yet you have to restart from scratch. Now you see it is blinking a couple of times, and then it is dimming down, and yeah, this is exactly what you will see as a confirmation that the reset has been working. So now after that happened, you can turn it off, or just turn it on again, or leave it. I think you can even leave it in this state and grab your phone again and then reconnect again to your device. It won't be connected in this state. It won't be connected. Even if you have had connected it with your app, it won't be connected anymore to your app. You really have to reconnect. In my case with the Sumaote, I have to just click on the app, and as you can see, it's trying to connect, but there's no chance to connect. I have to add it as a new device. Here is the plus, add the device, lamp switch order, and it will now search for it, and as soon as it connects, it will change the light and we know that it's connected again. So that's it. I hope it will really work for you, your device as well. Would be really great if you could leave a feedback in the feedback area if it really worked or not. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.